Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So it's approximately 8:48 a.m. in the morning. It's Wednesday, December 17. Adriana just got sent off to her preschool. So I'm just here. I'm just gonna sweep. I'm just gonna do a little sweeping. I don't have much to clean because I already cleaned from last night. So I'm just gonna do a little cleaning up. I was doing a DIY last night. No, not last night, this morning. So I just got some things to just sweep up and clean up. So I'm just doing a little sweep. As I say, I don't have anything much to sweep because I was up this morning about 1 a.m. So I got everything done. It's just that I have a little sweeping up to do from the DIY mirror. I'm gonna give you guys a next look. Oh, it's dark. This is how it came out. Came out so good. It's coming up to the festive season. The New Year is right around the corner, guys. Oh, guys, it's mind blowing how 2025 just come and just actually done, just done like that. Are you guys feeling the Christmas spirit? How are you guys feeling? Are you feeling New Year's spirit? Tell me, guys, what y'all think. If you feel the New Year spirit, because it's so mind blowing that it's coming up so fast. So fast. It's about to be 2026 in a few. The sun is rising up. It's a beautiful day. I'm just here doing a little sweeping up. But this is not a long video, guys. I was just wondering myself. I'm saying to myself that the New Year is coming up so fast. It was like the other day we in 2025, and it's just mind blowing. But I hope you guys enjoy your holiday. I hope you guys stay safe, stay blessed. I will drop in more of these contents, more of these little short videos, and more DIYs. Stay blessed. Love y'all.